So for the motor bolts, lock washer, it's underneath here. Thread these in. Sometimes you have to adjust the motor a little. It's gonna be a 3/4, 15 foot-pounds. All right, so after your motor's set in place and the 4 motor bolts are installed up underneath and properly torqued, we're gonna then tighten our coupler in the sequence listed in the instructions. So once we're set, we're gonna start with this middle screw. Give it a good snug. And do it again. You'll always be able to pick up a little bit more off each one. We just tell them, give it a good muscle. You can't really hurt it. And once all those are adequately tightened, I can now pull off the red collar. And then that is the proper height and setup. Save that for later. Basically, whoever's gonna run the job, keep the Allen wrench and that red collar just in case. Yeah, because if you gotta pull the motor off, you gotta reset its height again. So we need to make sure, that's why we use the red collar, is to give a 1/2 inch gap between the lower snap ring and the black acetal plate. And that allows for proper compression on the spring on the pack seal that's below this piece. So once everything's tightened, rotate your coupler at least 360 degrees in both directions. You should have no hard spots, no grabbing of it. It should spin just nice and freely. Just a couple fingers is all it needs to move it. Yeah, at this point, once everything's good, then you can give us a call and we can go through the startup and start programming the VFD and get everything running.